Hello, children! Today we're going to learn the ABC phonics. Let's explore the sounds of each letter and discover some fun words that begins with those sounds. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is capital letter A. Small letter A. A says A. A is for ant. A, apple. A, anchor. A, ark. A. Capital letter B and small b. B says B. B is for ball. B, basket. B, bird. B, bell. B. Capital letter C. Small letter C. C says K. K. K is for cat. K, can. K, cart. K, cup. K. Capital or big letter D. Small letter D. D says D. D is for doll. D, dot. D, dance. D, dart. D. Capital E and small e. E says E. E is for elf. E, elephant. E, egg. E, earth. E. Capital letter F. Small letter F. F says F. F is for fish. F, fan. F, face. F, frog. F. Capital letter G. Small letter G. G says G. G is for gold. G, gum. G, gun. G, grass. G. Capital letter H. Small h. H says is for ham. Hat. Horse. Heart. Capital letter I. Small letter I. I says E. E is for infant. E, igloo. E, indigo. E, insect. E. Another sound of letter I is I. Long sound I. Same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, I, ice cube. I, island. I, ice cream. I, ice candy. I. Capital letter J. Small letter J. J says J. J is for Jan. J, jump. J, jet, j, jog, j. Capital letter K, small letter K. K says K. K is for hit. K, koi. K, kangaroo. K, kiss. K. Capital letter L, small letter L. L says L. L is for lamp. L, lips. L, lollipop. L, lamb. L. Capital letter M, small letter M. M says M. M is for monkey. M, mom. M, man. M, man. M. Capital letter N, small letter N. N says N. N is for nuts. N, none. N, net. N, nest. N. Capital letter O, small letter O. O says O. O, octopus. O, owl. O, oval. O, orange. O. Capital letter P, small letter P. P says P. P, parrot. P, pot. P, pen. P, pin. P. Capital letter Q, small letter Q. Q says Q. Q is for queen. Q, quail. Q, quilt. Q, quill. Q. Capital letter R, small letter R. R says R. R is for rat. R, rabbit. R, rock. R, robin. R. Capital letter S, small letter S. S says S. S is for sandwich. S, sand. S, sack. S, seal. S. Capital letter T, small letter T. T says T. T is for tent. T, pen. T, top. T, two. T. Capital letter U, small letter U. U says O. O, under. O, upward. O, umbrella. O, underneath. O. Another sound of letter U is U. Same sound as you pronounce the letter U. For example, U, unicorn. U, uniform. U, utensils. U, ukulele. U. Capital letter V. Small letter V. V says V. V is for van. V. Vase. V. Valley. V. Vulture. V. Capital letter W. Small W. W says W. W is for walrus. W. Whale. W. Warm. W. Well. W. Capital letter X. Small letter X. X says X is for X-ray. Exit. Exam. Fox. Capital letter Y. Small letter Y. Y says Y. Y is for yet. Y. Yo-yo. Y. Yam. Y. Yak. Y. Capital letter Z. Small letter Z. Z says Z. Z is for zoo. Z. Zipper. Z. Zoom. Z. Zinnia. Z. Good job, children!